How to fix profile picture not showing on Facebook feeds. Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this. First of all, you have to open your mobile phone settings, and here you have to click on settings search bar, and here you have to type app management. When you search app management, here you have to click on this app management option, and here you have to click on app settings at the second option. Here you have to click on app settings. When you click on app settings, here you have to search Facebook in the search bar. Here you have to search Facebook and click on this. Now click on storage and cache, and here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After clearing cache, here you have to open your Play Store in your device. Open Play Store, and here you have to search Facebook in the search bar. When you search Facebook, and here you have to update your Facebook to the latest version. After updating Facebook, you have to open this, and here you have to click on your profile icon. Now here you can see, in this way you can fix profile picture not showing on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.